For a long time I was not doing motion graphic animation like before, so here I am to do it. This is how the animation will look after completing this tutorial. In this video, I am going to work with those two things that I hate the most. One is particle effect and the other one is force field. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, end the life of this cube. Then add a mesh sphere. Add a particle system and increase the number of particles. Turn off the gravity to make everything float. After this, add a magnetic force field and increase its size. And like this, the animation is ready. Then add an icosphere, decrease its subdivision and bevel it if you want. Then in particle effect, set the lifetime, size and rotation to random value. Then render the particles as object and select the icosphere. Then set up the scene like I always do in Eevee. After this, add an emission material to your sphere. And glass material to icosphere. Remember to set up these glass settings for glass material to make it look ultra amazing. Now change the color to any color you want. I am going to color it blue. Now add the point light at the center of sphere to make it look glowing. After this, add a cube and model it like this. Now you will have to add lights all around this thing so that it looks more glowing. Then add a camera and track it to the sphere. After this, add curve circle and then set the camera to follow curve path. Well, this was not the original video which I was trying to make. A frame from the original video looked like this. And also everything in this video is procedural. This is going to be the next video, so stay tuned and subscribe.